Hey, what's going on, Gaijins and Gaijins? This is Good Gaijin Greg, and I'm back with another video. And today I would like to make my take on a Katsu Curry, which is basically just fried pork and curry and rice. And I think you'll really enjoy it. Instead of using big chunks of pork, I like to use smaller bits since you're eating it on a spoon with curry. So you don't have to like cut it all up or anything like that or try to cut it with a spoon. Now you have nice bite-sized, bits of pork to go with the rice and the curry, and it's all great. Let's go ahead and get started. All right, and with that, we are finished, and we have a nice big bowl, well, plate of curry with some mini katsu and rice, some mini shoga, and some green onion. And it smells amazing, and our mini katsu looks amazing. Tastes amazing. I don't know if you could hear that crunch, but it is nice and crispy. Itadakimasu. yeah, you might want to make this. You might want to make this. That curry has some nice heat behind it. Got some vegetables so you can feel like you're eating healthy, even though you're totally not. Yeah, I'm not gonna stay on and talk to you guys. I want to finish this, so hopefully you guys try this at home. You like, share, and subscribe. It really helped me out. And I'll see you guys next time. Laters.